Do you want to learn Java in the simplest way? Hi, my name is Abiakuma Miracle and I've been teaching Java for about 4 years now. This is my evidence.
Dealing with is to be the string. That's the first one, right? So the string is just series of what characters.
So I'm here to help you. You know, many people think that Java is difficult, but I want to say that Java is very simple and it's not difficult. So I will try my best to explain all the basic concepts to you. This course is for beginners, people who are starting with Java. If you don't know anything about Java, then this course is for you. I'll try my best to help you from the beginning, from the installation process to the basic concept of Java, and then we will now be talking about the object-oriented of Java. I'll see you in the first video. Bye.